Hello family, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Google Sharon. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I crocheted the jungle braids that I made in my previous videos. So guys, go and check my video how I made those jungle braids and how I curled the hands of the jungle braids. So let's get to today's video. So guys, I'm going to start by detangling my hair. I'm going to use a comb. So I already detangled my hair before starting this video. So right now all I'm going to do is to divide my hair in the middle, halfway as shown in the video, and then I'm going to divide the hair both sides like you are making. So guys, I'm sorry about that, I'm not good at explaining this, but as you can see, I divided my hair in the middle and then again I divided the right part of the hair beside the right part of my hair and the left part of my hair shown in the video. So as you can see, I hope you can understand what I meant by that. So I'm going to divide my hair as shown in the video and then I'm going to braid my natural hair as shown in the video. So guys, right now I'm just going to use the brush that I have to brush my hair to detangle it really well. So right now all I'm going to do is to divide the first section of my hair. So we are going to be doing, for this particular video we are going to be crocheting our braids. So I'm going to be sharing with you a crochet braid pattern. So all I'm going to do is to divide the first section of my hair. So I already tried it with the first section that I already shown you how I divided. So right now I'm just going to be sharing with you how I did the second section. So all I'm going to do is to divide the second section 3 times as shown in the video, and then all I'm going to do is to braid my natural hair halfway. So guys, you can use a rubber band for this particular kind of crochet braid pattern, but for me I didn't want any rubber bands on my hair. So I'm just going to be braiding my natural hair shown in the video halfway. I'm just going to braid it a little and then leave it. I'm just going to braid the three sections that I divided. So guys, after braiding the 3 sections that you divided, all you are going to do is to attach the braids that you braided. I don't know if you can understand what I mean by that. So while growing up we always called this matuta kamatana. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. If you know how to do matuta kamatana, that's what we are doing in this particular video. So for this third section I'm just going to divide and braid it like 4 times, and then for this fourth section I'm also going to braid my hair 4 times as shown in the video. And then all I'm going to do is to attach together the braids. I'm going to join together the braids that I braided. So guys, I'll leave you to watch me and understand what I'm doing in the video, and I'll be right back. So guys, after a while I did the other side too. So all you are going to do is to repeat the process. So guys, if you see this style is a little bit harder for you, all you are going to do is to cornrow your hair, or you can get someone to do it for you, to help you do it. So right now all you are going to do is to cornrow the rest of the back of your hair. You're just going to divide your hair and cornrow it, heading at the back of your head. I hope you know how to do cornrows, so you can get someone to help you. So that was the particular braiding pattern that we were doing in this video. So right now all I'm going to do is to join the ends of my cornrows as shown in the video with the cornrow again. So I'll leave it to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, after a while I just did all the crochet braid pattern on my natural hair. So guys, I didn't use any heat on my natural hair, but I hope you could see the braiding pattern how I did it. If this is hard for you, like I just said, you can just cornrow your hair normally. So guys, after that all we are going to do is to crochet the braids, the jungle braids on our natural hair, as shown in the video. So guys, after a little while ago I just shown you the hole that I explained in the previous video, that you have to loop your braids to get that hole. So guys, that hole is really going to help you if you are doing your crochet braids, so you don't feel so much pain and you don't struggle so much while doing your crochet braids. So guys, I'm just now going to be crocheting my braids, my jungle braids on my hair. So I'll leave you to watch me do that, although I speeded up this part of the video, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back and I already did also the back of my head. So guys, if you are new to crocheting braids, all you have to do is to add the crochet needle to your natural hair, and then all you are going to do is to add the braids, the crochet braids, and then you are going to close the latch, and then all you are going to do is to pull your crochet braids, your crochet needle, I'm sorry, and then what you're going to do is to pull the longer part of your crochet braid to form something like a knot. So I hope you can see what I've been doing in the video. So right now all I'm just doing is I'm sorry about that. I'm just filling the crochet some more crochet braids around my edges. So guys, I didn't do so much braids around my edges. Crochet braids really seem to destroy your edges, so you have to be careful while doing that. You don't have to pile so much of the crochet braids around your edges. So as you can see, that's all I did. So right now all I'm going to do is to lay my edges as shown in the video. So for this I just use my nice and lovely gel, my nice and lovely clear gel to lay my edges. So I'll leave you to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, this is how I laid my edges, just simple as that. That's how I did my edges. So guys, right now this is the final look how I did my crochet braids. So guys, I loved doing these braids, and especially because I made this jungle braids myself, and I also curled the hands. So you can go and check that video out. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.